Today I will show you how to speed up performance in Windows 10. First, go to Windows Control Panel and from there go into Appearance and Personalization, Hardware and Sound. Then click on Power Options and then turn on High Performance Mode. This will make it so Windows will run at its fullest without saving any power. You can also put in custom settings by clicking on Change Advanced Power Settings. Next is cleaning up temporary files. Go to the search bar and either search for Run or press the Windows key and R. To open this menu, type in temp and select all files and delete them and skip the ones that can't be deleted. Then go back to Run and type %temp% and select all the files and delete them and skip the ones that can't be. Then for the last time, go back to Run and type prefetch. Select all the files and delete them. Type defragmenting in the search bar and select all and click on it. This will get you to a menu. Highlight the C drive and click Optimize. This will take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. Type Windows Update in the search bar and click on it. Then type Check for updates. Once you're done, type Device Manager in the search bar and open it from there. You can update drivers for graphics cards and much more. Click the device that you want to update drivers for and click Search for updated driver software. You can also use Driver Booster. You click the scan option and it will find updates for drivers. For the next one, search for a control panel in the search bar. Once you're in the control panel, search for System, click on Performance Settings, and then click on Custom. This will make Windows faster by removing animations and fancy stuff, which will give you a better experience. Next, right-click on the taskbar and click Task Manager and go to Startup and disable all the apps. These apps, when your PC starts up, run in the background, but if you disable them, they will only run when you launch the app.